See, nothing. So sad. Hi, mamas. Sorry, my voice is a little groggy because I'm still sick. So I will just share with you that I already tried this Horgan Decent Go wearable pump and I pumped for only 20 minutes and it didn't feel any letdown, sad to say. And I will just stick to my original pump. I don't have the energy to try it again. I have things to do pa. I think I'm just gonna give it to other mommies or sell it in the marketplace. Look how much I got within the 20 minutes. I tried different settings. It still doesn't work. Look at my left side, guys. It's barely nothing. And here's my right side. On my original wearable West app, after 2 minutes, I already have a letdown, but please, I don't feel anything. So sad. Here's my right side. See, nothing. It's so sad. But it's okay. Sometimes that happens. You don't have your best friend. I'm not sure if I'm gonna try it again because I just can't wait another 20 minutes to pump and get nothing. I'm a busy mom. I don't know if I have the patience to do it. I'm just gonna sell it or donate it. So anyway, I will just pump again for another 20 minutes with my original breast pump. I'll update you how much I get.